She is thought to be the most powerful destroyer built in India. Tomorrow, when the destroyer INS Kochi is commissioned into the Indian Navy, she will bring with it a set of capabilities unmatched in the waters of the Indian Ocean. Vishnu Shom was on board the INS Kochi and sent us this report.
When this ship is commissioned into the Indian Navy tomorrow, she'll bring more firepower, a greater range of operations and more versatility than most warships of her class anywhere in the world. Built at the cost of 3,900 crores at the Mazagon Docks Ltd, Kochi is designed to defend an Indian fleet with state-of-the-art surface-to-air missiles being co-developed with Israel, air defense guns and BrahMos anti-shipping missiles, some of the most potent naval weapon systems anywhere.
It is one of the most potent ships that we have ever built. Secondly, it has got a lot of Indian content, and it has got a capability that gives us an extra reach, it gives us an extra punch at sea.
Unlike Indian warships of the past, the Kochi is entirely automated. This is her machine control room, where among other functions, officers monitor her Indian-built power generators which churn out 5,600 kilowatts, enough power to run a small town. Commanded by a 46-year-old captain, Kochi embarks 390 officers and men, all trained to access the ship data network, the backbone of what is an information highway on board the ship.
At every terminal wherever required, whether it's in the bridge or in the operations room or in the machinery control room, there is complete information about the ship's functioning and the equipment at a single point. And that is exactly what, when I say a high degree of automation and sophistication has been achieved.
On her mast lies this, the Israeli-made multifunction surveillance and threat alert radar, or MF star. Unlike older radars, the radar has no moving parts and is capable of detecting incoming missiles and aircraft several hundred kilometers away from the ship. Installing this massive system in India required millimeter-perfect precision. The induction of the Kochi into the Indian Navy gives the Navy a capability that it's been seeking for a long time. Quite besides the fact that this is a warship that combines sensors and weapons from several countries, is this. All of it has been integrated over here in India, and all of it put together gives the Indian Navy the ability to strike hard where it wants, when it wants. In Mumbai, Vishnu Shom for NDTV.